Color is a really big deal, and it's vital to a ton of brands. Apple, Tiffany, or Twitter. I know, I have several followers. But with swatches, we can define a color once and use it to keep things consistent. And there's a bit of magic here. To add a swatch, I just set a color on literally anything. And I just go in and add swatch. I'll name this one Grimus Swatch. And after I do that, I can add that. I can use that swatch on virtually any color property. Backgrounds, outlines, borders, typography, Sarah's lamp.
Change it back.
Sorry, Sarah, I can't change it.
Yes, you can.
Yes, I can. Because on any color property, I can go in and change the color. But notice how it just affected this class. If I want to change the swatch, I can reapply the Grimus swatch and then edit the swatch. And what's this? Change the color now, and it's affecting every instance where I use that swatch, including Sarah's lamp.
Honestly, it's disco.
And of course, if you want to keep the color, maybe because you're about to change something else, you can always unlink the color property from the swatch. That way, it won't be affected by further changes to that swatch. But that's color swatches.
In the Webflow designer.
Thank you, Sarah. I completely froze there. I appreciate it. The colors keep changing, by the way, on the lamp. It's not me. I promise.